it real clear, it's not you there, he said. Yeah, I was 11. Times there was tough back in 35. I was being up in Joe, just trying to survive in no cotton farm in the Great Depression. As if it looks like we were scared to death, like a couple of kids just trying to save each other. You should have seen it in color. Oh, this morning was taken overseas in the middle of field, 1943 in the wintertime. You can almost see my breath. That was my Tim Gooder. Johnny McGee was a high school teacher from New Orleans. And he had my back right through the day we left. As if it looks like we were scared to death, like a couple of kids just trying to save each other. You should have seen it in color. The pictures were 1,000 words, but you can't see what the shades of gray keeps cover. You should have seen it in color. Telling here it was hot that Jude in a rosary. Her eyes were blue.
How y'all doing?
I was so glad. That's the story of my life. Right there, black and white.
Well, now I've got some pieces in my display on those. They would clamp onto that. It was serrated.
You might coming out a little crazy, little sideways on my baby. Don't know how long, but I'll do my best. You be my song and sing, I'll be strong and steady. You be my glass of wine, I'll be a shot of whiskey. You be my sunny day, I'll be a shady tree. You be my morning sun, I'll be your morning breeze. If I came out of the country, looking for the sign on the money, you got a smile, honey, right back in me. Oh, long as I ain't done, just forward I came home. You know how fun this seriously. You be my Louisiana, I'll be your Mississippi. You be my little riddle, I'll be your gummy tweety. You be my sugar baby, I'll be your sweet iced tea. You be my honey sugar, I'll be your molly green.
Johnny been doing all right?
She says, no, I'm glad I had this talk. Nothing left to do yet, following my own. I could have said I love you, could have wrote a line or two. Baby, no one to speak, it's right from my home. You be my song and sing, I'll be